Hello everybody, my name is Rivers, and today we're going to be looking at the Kamen Geats DX Boost Mark II Raise Buckle. So here's the front of the box. Looks very cool. Here is the top, the bottom with the warnings, the side, this side, and the back. So this is the Boost Mark II Raise Buckle. Looks pretty cool. It's red, black, and it's got some purple accent. You have this thing sticking out of the front that makes it so you can't put any other raise buckles except for the laser razorizer on the belt. And the way this one works is you just do that and it opens up, which looks very cool. Here it is with the other boost. You can't really connect them, but they both, this is Boost 1 and this is Boost Mark 2. So yeah, first I'll show that when you connect it to the driver, you can't connect another buckle except for the laser razorizer or one of the small buckles. That. Okay, so let's turn on the Desire driver. And we'll transform into Kamen Geats Boost Mark II. And then we can turn the lever again to do an attack.
Boost strike.
And then
Boost time.
boost time.
Boost grand strike.
So, one thing to mention, this buckle has, the unique rev sound and the unique transformation sound, but when you use it with other buckles, if you can, or if you do the finisher, it just acts like normal boost, which is kind of weird. I'm not really sure why it does that. It kind of sucks that it's like that. But that's how it is. So the other thing you can do with this is bring back out the laser razorizer. You can take this part off and then attach it to the driver. And you'll have to bear with me. This side of my Desire driver has been going out, so I'm not sure how many times it will take for this to go in. That's wrong. Oh, there we go. Transform into Kamen Geats laser boost form. Really, really cool jiggle there. And you can push up the lever. There's no support mode. You can also do
Hyper Boost Victory.
or you could do so that's pretty cool. And then you can also do a revolve on. Look kind of goofy with the gun like this. But so that's pretty much it. Though I'm sure someone is wondering what happens if you do that. Well, if you hold it like this, it'll hold, but it doesn't lock into place for some reason. I'm not really sure why they couldn't have had it lock into place, but it doesn't. So if you wanted to, just attach this to the gun and transform with it, you can't unless you hold the pin at the back here. So you can do that, but it'll fall out. And I was holding this pin right there. Let's see. Oh, I'm not able to replicate this because I don't have the mission buckle, the Geats version set yet. But if you connect like Magnum or any of those buckles, if you find a way to connect those to the driver with Boost Mark II, it acts as if it is normal boost. So you don't get Magnum and Boost Mark II. You don't get that or something, which kind of sucks. So the functionality of this is kind of limited, but it's really cool, so I don't know. And it goes great with the gun, and I think it's really cool that boost or laser boost is pretty much, an evolution of Magnum boost, because this is kind of like a future version of Magnum, and it's like an actual gun, and then this is like an evolved version of the boost buckle. Though if I'm gonna be honest, I definitely prefer normal boost. I think it just looks better. I like this handle more, and I'm not really sure if you can see this on camera, but the plastic on the inside is like metallic, and then the plastic on these like scarf tail ends is a different it is a different plastic, so I'm not really sure about that, but I do like how it works, and I think the pattern on the inside here, you can see it better on this side, looks really cool. So it's not a wash or anything, but it's another raised buckle. It's a good raised buckle is really cool. I like them a lot. So, oh, one thing I forgot to mention. Um, it continues the purple metallic line along the laser raise riser, which I think is very cool. So, yeah, that's it. If you stuck around this long, thank you for watching. If you didn't, that's fine. Have a good day. Bye bye.